Well, hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are heading to our thrift store, and we haven't been here in such a long time, so I'm excited to browse around and see what treasures we can find today. So I'm going to be sharing with y'all some of my favorite things that I find, and then at the end we're going to be sharing with y'all a haul and how we style our pieces. And so we're going to start right here in this first section, which is the glassware. And these vases were beautiful, but this is one of the reasons I haven't been thrifting, because their prices are what I can find in other stores brand new. And so we did thankfully find some pieces though that were a good deal, and we did pick up some and bring them home. Next we're going to go to the baskets and see what they have in here. This one I thought was really cute. I loved the weathered look on it, and it was a good price at $5. And then next section we're going to move to is the picture frames. This is the one that I thought would look beautiful in our home. I'm just looking at very timeless and traditional pieces. And then this was just like a little shelf that was just full of little trinkets, and I thought this little pitcher and little platter was really cute. And then I found actually two of these little wrapped up boxes of shells, if you like that like coastal grandma aesthetic. And then I thought this would be really pretty with like a little candle on it, so some candy, like a little candy dish. And now we're gonna go on over to the lamps, and I saw a lot of good ones. This one was regular $30 at Ross. I love mercury glass, and this one was $7. And then I thought this crystal one was so pretty, and again it was $7. This one definitely caught my eye. I did not like the shade on it, but this definitely could be redone and look just absolutely beautiful. And I believe this one was $8. And then I saw this like little pendant light that would be really cute, like over your kitchen window. Now we're going to move to the artwork, and I thought this hydrangea picture frame was so pretty, and I loved this frame. This frame I believe was $10, and this like little cafe little picture was so pretty. I love like little cafe vibes, so cute. And then this little duck picture with the little blue background for $4. And then I found this very big beautiful piece of art. I thought it would be very pretty again for like the coastal grandma look, if you love that. And then here was another little shell picture that I thought would be pretty for that vibe too. We're going to turn the next aisle and look at all the glassware, and they have some gorgeous glassware. So I used to have these glasses, and my mom has them now. These are so pretty. I don't know why I gave those to her. And then look at these beautiful little teacups. This is giving that Bridgerton that we talked about in my last video vibes. I've seen some pictures from that TV show, and it just is so pretty. And just all the beautiful detailed glassware. These would be so pretty boxed up. There's two of these with like a glass of like champagne or sparkling cider, and put together in a beautiful like little basket, thrifted for like a gift. I've seen where people thrift like Christmas present gifts and birthday gifts, and it is so cute. We probably need to do that. I love watching those little videos, so much fun. And then I loved the like tinted blue on these glasses, and then these are just gorgeous, just all the details. This punch bowl with the little grapes, it had all the little punch cups. I thought this was really cute too. And then these glasses, I almost got these because they reminded me of the pumpkin glasses that Anthropologie had out last year. And all these like little ice cream sundae glasses, so cute. What else would you use these glasses for? I'm thinking ice cream sundaes, so give me your other ideas. We're going to turn around and look at all the dishes. They usually have so many beautiful dishes here, and I did find a few. These just all glass dishes with the little details were just beautiful. I loved these. My mom actually has these. We gifted her a set of this set for her birthday a couple of years ago, and then these were the matching plates and saucers to those teacups. They actually had this like set scattered throughout the thrift store. And then the other aisle, this is all like your bakeware and like serveware, and there were so many beautiful glass pieces. There's another one of those blue little dishes, and this one was so pretty. I was about to get it, but I was like, $17? Thought we were at a thrift store. And then these strainers were so pretty and very good quality. They were very thick, And so I thought these were priced very well for thrift store prices. And here's just a look at all of these little glasswares. Again, I'm thinking ice cream sundaes for this. And this one too, I loved the bottom of these. This was so pretty. I would have got these, but there was only 3. If there would have been 4 or 6, I would have brought those home with me. And then these cute little creamers. They were just so pretty and very good quality. They were like heavy, chunkier pieces. This would have came home with me because my mom has like a whole set of this stuff that she got at a yard sale, but it did have the monogram in it. And then this was gorgeous as well. I was going to bring it home, but again, not for $15. We're going to go over to the furniture section, and I saw this wicker like ottoman. I thought it was really pretty. It was kind of messed up though, and it was priced at $30. And then this little brass lamp, I thought it would be pretty with a new shade, and you could clean it up. And then this is given the father of the bride vibes. My mom said that these were used back in her day whenever they got married. And I definitely remember seeing these in all of my aunts and uncles' wedding pictures. So let me know if you had this in your wedding. It was so pretty. And then I thought these little nightstands that were wicker, they'd be very pretty redone. And the drawers actually glided in and out very nicely. And then this rug I thought was really pretty. It was $130 though, and it had some stains, but again, it was very pretty. So now we're going to take a little sneak peek at our buggy and see what we brought home. We are back from the thrift store. It was actually so much fun. I haven't been to the thrift store in such a long time. Reason being, as you saw, so many things that are so overpriced. Like you can buy them, most of the things that I saw in there brand new in other stores, but it is so much fun to shop at the thrift stores. It's like finding treasures. I forgot how much fun that it is. So we added lots of things to our cart, and I wanted to share with y'all some of the pieces that I got, and we are going to redo them, revamp them, and style them. The very first thing that I saw and picked up was this beautiful vase. This has been something saved on my Pinterest board for so long now. It is just a very beautiful, timeless, classic piece. It was $10, which I probably honestly could find this brand new like Home Goods or even online somewhere, but I haven't found it yet so far in those places. And I've had, like I said, I've had it saved for a while to find one of these. So whenever I saw it, I just went ahead and grabbed it. I do need to clean it up. It looks like somebody had tried like, I don't know, spray painting it or what that is, but I'm gonna give it a good scrub. And I think it's gonna be so pretty with like a candle styled inside of it, or using it for a vase with like my cut flowers. Next thing that I saw and I picked up was this. Now, I'm going to throw all these flowers away, these little magnolias. This was a very cute idea. The idea of it is so beautiful and stunning, and very traditional Southern with the magnolias. It has the little brass vase with the feet. It also has the little like moss in here, but these flowers I've seen at better days, and I could clean them up, refluff them out. I'm not sure, but I'm not wanting the flowers. So my plan is, whenever I saw this, is I'm going to take all of this apart and clean this up, and then maybe make like my own candle, like a DIY candle. I thought it'd be so pretty. Look at the feet of this. Again, this was $6.99. So I didn't think it was a bad price, and I just love the detail. So we will do a little DIY with this. I loved all the glassware and the plates, but I didn't see any that I had to have. But I am on the hunt for some more glassware, just another like little set of 6. And then I would love to find some like beautiful dinnerware. I have like just the straight line gold ones, and I think adding some like silver ones to my collection would be so pretty with like beautiful detail. So I am going to be on the hunt for those for like a set. I got this beautiful painting, and honestly I love this color blue, so it's not bad in the frame, but I thought it could be better. And this was $6.99. I'm not real sure, like here's the back of it. I'm not sure if somebody painted this, or I'm not really sure what this is. Like I don't know if it's watercolor. We're going to take it apart and see. I'm not real sure. It could just be on a poster board. But anyway, I grabbed this because I thought it was stunning. And then I also grabbed this piece of art, and this was $10. And I thought the frame was gorgeous. So I wanted to put that piece of art into this frame. I think that hydrangea in this beautiful detailed frame. It's gonna be so pretty, and the backing, it looks like it's gonna be really easy to do and transfer over. Last thing that I picked up, I almost put it back and I really don't know why, because I absolutely love this. Actually, everything that I got today, I really loved, because I went in today thinking I am not going to go buy anything, I'm just looking. I found pieces that I love, and so this was another one. I added more to the cart than I thought. This was only $3.99. Loved the blue background of this. It definitely needs cleaning up. It's very dirty. And then I loved the little duck. So I thought this would even be pretty in Casey's room one day. But for now, I thought it would be pretty like over our toilet. Even thought, y'all know that I just did this new gallery wall here. Thought that would be pretty instead of the swans there. So I don't know. We're gonna clean it up and figure out where we're gonna put this, but I just thought it was stunning and was full of the colors that I loved, and I love the little ducks. So thought this was just too cute to pass up on. Okay friends, now we are going to start revamping these pieces. So the first thing I want to do is go ahead and melt my wax. I have some like 100% soy wax that I want to use to make this little dish into a candle. I think it will be really cute. I always keep my own wax on hand because I don't go out and buy candles and use a like synthetic fragrance. I like to make my own candles, and then I don't even really put essential oils in my candles anymore. I just use them for the like ambiance, and I just use my diffusers for the scents in our home. But look how gorgeous this turned out. This is going to be so pretty for every season, and so this probably cost me a total of like $10 between the wax and everything. That little project probably took me the longest to do. The rest I just had to really do some cleaning up. So we're going to give this little hurricane glass vase a good scrub, and it took a little bit of elbow grease to get whatever this was off of here, but we got it all shined up and pretty. And now I'm going to style it on this stack of books, and I want to find like a pillar candle that I can actually light because I think it'll be pretty in here, but I just have this LED one for now. And then our little duck picture, we don't have to do much to it. All I'm going to do is use my thieves cleaner and give it a good wipe down because it was very dirty if you couldn't tell. Tried replacing my swan picture with the new duck picture, but I would have needed to bring my nail hole a little bit higher. So I decided to see what it looked like in our guest bathroom over our toilet. So I swapped out these pictures, and I liked how this grouping paired well together. And I feel like this is a picture that I will just always keep. I love the colors in it, and I could definitely see it one day in Casey's room. Now we're going to transfer this piece of art into this picture frame, and y'all, this like fit like a glove. Watch this transformation. It's just so pretty. So we are going to take this. I don't really even know why this was wrapped up. It was like it was never even used, and I don't know why they have cardboard on the back of this. Let me know if you have any idea what this piece of art is. I'm just a little confused by it. I'm not familiar with art and artwork and prints and things like that, so if you are, definitely let me know in the comments. But we're just going to take a butter knife and pop open all these little staples to take the backing off of this picture frame and take out this piece of artwork and swap it over for the new. And look, it fit like a glove. I thought I was going to have to cut it to fit inside of here, and I did not have to. It was like meant to be. So we're going to clean this glass very well because there was something sticky and gross all over it. I didn't even realize this whenever I bought it. I actually even had to get a razor blade to get off the rest of the residue. And then we're just going to pop this new piece of art right back in here and flip it over and give it another good cleaning on the front side and wipe down the frame really well. And y'all, this piece really shined up. So we're going to actually style this in our bathroom, and it's just gorgeous. Let me know in the comments down below which was your favorite thrift flip, and if you like this style video. I had a lot of fun filming this for y'all and transforming these pieces. So I guess I will see you guys in the very next one. God bless, and I'll see you soon. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and stick around for our next video. We're going to be doing some more decorating for the end of the summer.